When we moved here, we'd always had in mind to have either an extension put on or a conservatory put on. We looked at traditional build, but they took so long to do. ConservatoryLand, it was just their marketing, the way they laid things out. They were very straightforward to use. Saw their website, liked the way they looked and how they did things, and then it was just phone call after phone call then. If we have the grandchildren over, we've got more space for them, and we use it for chilling out. In the summer we practically live in there all summer. Christmas we could host, so we've got room to seat everyone, whereas we didn't before. So yeah, it's an extension of the home. Most things we tackle ourselves, but this was just too big a job for us to do, so it's easier to get someone to install. No problems at all with the installers. I was here all the time they were here. No problems at all. They were on time every day. They cleaned up every day. Yeah, no problems. And they've come back if I've needed anything else doing. They've come back within a phone call. ConservatoryLand were there every step of the way. Any questions they answer straight away, no problems at all. I couldn't recommend them highly enough, and I have done to several people already, so yeah, I will keep doing so.